Congratulations on passing the online portion of the Haas certification program for basic machine operator. The final step you need to take before getting your certificate will be a hands-on test at your local Haas factory outlet, or HFO for short. As we stated in several of the videos, you will need time in front of an actual machine in order to pass this test. The videos give you all the information you need, but you need hands-on practice to become familiar with a machine. It's no different than taking a driving test at the DMV. You won't pass unless you've practiced driving first. Now, this test will consist of a series of questions about the machine, and then you will be asked to properly load a piece of raw material into the machine, run the program, and then unload the finished part and prepare the machine to run another part. The entire test should take about 15 minutes to complete. Now, if you're asking, how do I schedule my HFO hands-on test? Once you finish watching this video, you'll see a congratulations screen, and then you'll be prompted to contact your local HFO when you're ready to take the test. Once you've requested a test date with the HFO and they've contacted you and confirmed the date, you need to be prepared when you arrive at the HFO on that testing day. Make sure to bring a pair of safety glasses. They're easy to get, they're inexpensive, and any hardware store has them for just a few dollars. You should also dress appropriately for a machine shop environment. No suits or ties, no dress clothes. Wear a work shirt, work boots, and either a pair of jeans or work pants like Dickies or something similar. On the day of the test, if there's a group of you taking the test on the same day, you may all be given a welcome introduction as a group, but each person will be taking the test independently without the others watching. Now, when it's your turn, you will be asked a series of questions by the test administrator. You may be asked to walk around the machine and identify key components. None of the questions will be designed to trick you in any way, and if you've paid attention to the videos, there will be no surprises. You will then be asked to identify the raw material and verify some dimensions on a drawing. Next, you will load the raw material into the machine, secure it in the work holding, and be ready to run the part. Now, as you go along, the administrator will ask you to explain what you are doing, why you are doing it, and they may ask you some additional questions about the machine as well. Once the part is completed, you will be asked to unload the finished part and prep the machine to run another one. You may also be asked to make a few basic measurements on the finished part. Again, you will be asked to explain what you are doing and why you are doing it as you work. When the test is complete, the administrator may let you know on the spot if you've passed or failed, or they may need additional time to evaluate you and the other students. In that instance, you will need to log into your Haas training account, where you will be notified within 5 business days. Good luck on the test, and thanks for watching.